Hello everybody. Today we're going to be doing a Cadillac converter delete on a Honda 2010 Honda CRV. So far I've rushed ahead a little bit here. Jasper and I have rushed ahead a little bit here. We've taken off the inspection plate to get to the sump bolt and oil filter, but that also helps you get to your exhaust bolts there that connect your exhaust to your headers. There's just two, what were these ones again? 12 mils? Yeah, two 12 mil bolts there. You've got your two O2 sensor plugs. They live up here on the driver's side. Ow! Keep hitting my head. They live up here on the driver's side wheel well, just behind the CV. So actually that's just behind the power steering rack. Yeah. But they're on a little metal bracket when the, yeah, just there. And you have to remove them off that metal bracket first.
By using the pin.
Yeah. Yeah, you push that little plastic pin there, and then that should help you remove it off the metal bracket, and then you can just unplug them too. They will not let you unplug them while it's on that bracket, guys. Trust me, I was trying for ages. Thanks, Jasper. Once you do that, you can pretty well start undoing. Yeah, you can undo your actual Cadillac converter itself, just undoing those bolts there and undoing those bolts up there that I showed you guys. Alright, time lapse. Alrighty, now once you've done those 3 bolts at the back here and those 2 bolts at the front there, unplugged your O2 sensors. It should be pretty simple, pretty straightforward from here. You should just be able to shoot that on out. Just push the exhaust backwards towards the rear of the car, and the cat push a little bit forward. Twist it on down. A bit of a maneuver, and that's her out. Be careful not to hit this on the ground and bend up your O2 sensor ends. I learnt that on my last one. Did it all, put the car back together, check engine light, and it was running like a bag of crap. It's because I bent my O2 sensors. So careful, guys. Sweet. Alright, now once you've got the cat out, just quickly, 10 mil, undo your exhaust shield thing. Exhaust shield? Yeah, exhaust shield. So that you can take out your O2 sensors. And yeah, that's it. I'll get back to it. Put it on top. Alrighty, once you've got that all, the O2 sensors out and heat shielding off, should be looking a little something like this. You can see all the platinum in there, that honeycomb looking shit. That needs to be gone. Gone, my friend. We need to get that out. Now, I'll show you how I do this. It's not the bloody, probably not the most, I don't know what you'd say, textbook way of doing it, but it works. And if it works, as they say, it works. I'm literally just drilling the shit out of it, by the way, guys. Just drilling holes. You don't really have to be scared too much, guys, because it is bloody solid steel, so it's, you're not going to like poke a hole in it or anything. But the platinum is pretty weak, so it just breaks apart. Yeah, just turns to dust. Yeah, literally, as Jasper just said. I don't know if it's good to breathe it in. Okay? Definitely not good to breathe in. Probably should have a mask. But yeah. Alrighty, I think I've only like done about half of it so far. But once you've smashed up that as much as you can with your drill, oh, yep, see it's pouring all over me bloody foot. But you should just be able to bang it out. Keep on banging that in just until it's all gone. Just workity, workity, workity. You got no platinum left. And she's straight through. This one seems to have got material in it too. Like some type of cotton. Never seen that before. Alrighty, once you've got as far as you can get with a long ass drill bit, if you haven't got that, what I used to use before I used them was just my jack handle. I know, right? Just stick that bad boy down there. Just give her a bit of a massaging. Oh, it's just falling out everywhere already. It works better than the drill bit, I reckon. Alrighty, once you've got all the platinum in a bucket and on the floor, it should. Can you guys see? But yeah, you can see the light at the end of the tunnel, and there's no platinum left in there. A little bit of sound deadening left on the outside there. But yeah, see how I was smashing up and down with the jack handle and whatnot, basically massaging all the sides. That's why I removed your O2 sensor, guys. You do not want to smash the end of one of them off. That would be an epic fail. Alrighty, we can pretty much put this back in the car. We'll put the O2 sensors back in, and we're good as gold. That one there, and the green one on the back, like so. Thank you, Jasper. And let's put it back in the car. Alrighty, once you got that all back together, it will look like so. All bolted back up, O2 sensors plugged in. Now, the question is, check engine light? No check engine light. You guys tell me. If you get it right, I'll do a backflip. Let's do a first start.
Gonna hijack this real quick and take us to the rear end here.
Oh, smart thinking, son.
Oh. Alright, let's see how she goes. Like this. Can't even see the exhaust. She sooted on me. Hey mate, blowing out the dust that was left in there.
That is so much like, I can tell, it's like not on the D-cell.
And I don't see a check engine light here.
No check engine light.
I didn't think so.
She hasn't driven yet. Oi! Nice boys and girls. Easy does it. Easy does it. Oh, easy doesn't do it. Alrighty guys, if you guys have made it to the end of the video, I love yous. Like and subscribe. And comment if you've got anything to say. I'll see you on the next one.